Kaspa update. You can see this resistance that we ran into here, okay? I believe we're going to give another shot at breaking through it here. You can see it right. Let me grab my pointer here. There we go. Right here, okay? We hit it up here a couple times, and we hit it up here once. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits now on that. Okay, so this resistance area at 0.120 is a big area to break. We break that, and it's onward and upward. Okay, very good support down here at 0.104. That's been support all through here, and you can see some buying volume coming in down here. So we're going to look at the RSIs here in a second. I got a couple other things to show you guys real quick, okay? It talks about here, I'm not going to read the other one, but Fetch AI and Caspa have soared this year. Everlodge on the same path. I don't know about Everlodge. I'm not even reading about it. But Fetch is a very good, that's a solid company, man. That played Fetch AI, anything with artificial intelligence. But it says here, is Caspa essential for crypto and AI? Caspa is another chain built on the Cosmos ecosystem and is an alternative to the usual ways of building blockchains and DLTs. Certain experts believe that this is the key to Caspa's future and superiority. Consider that the integration of AI and blockchain holds immense promise, but current blockchain technologies are too slow to enable the responsive real-time interactions needed. This is where Caspa's innovative BlockDAG comes in. By combining aspects of blocks and directed acyclic graphs, Caspa achieves reactive speed at 1 block per second initially, and targets 30 to 100 blocks per second. That's why we always go over here and look right over here at the let's get on here, the dashboard. That's why I check this out every day, the blocks per second and the petahash, because it's pretty big. Right up here, that's transactions per second. Over here is blocks per second, real time. Okay. This goes up and down. It fluctuates. The transactions per second, but look at the petahash, 122 now. That's crazy. This thing just keeps going. When I first started covering Caspa, this thing was at like 17 or 20 petahash. It was way down there. You guys that have been here look at now 2.2 blocks per second. So that goes up and down in 2.2 transactions a second. So this thing goes up and down quite a bit. I believe Caspa is lulling people to sleep here, and it's going to make a run here pretty soon. All right, I've read articles all over. I've been on the internet. I read articles every day before I do videos, but I was reading a lot of stuff that said that Caspa holders are getting frustrated and jumping out, and I don't see that at all. All I see is building on here. Last 7 days, in the last 30 days, look at this, 776 dolphin. The last 30 days, 15,000 holders altogether, plus 1 humpback. We were minus 2 whales, but I guarantee one of them went to a humpback here. So last 7 days were plus 2 humpbacks. Last 24 hours plus 1. So people don't go into humpback status if they don't believe a token or a coin is headed up. All right, plus 1 in the last 24 hours. A humpback, that's 100 million to 1 billion coins. All right, so they're stacking up pretty good. But it says here, Caspa's innovative combination of DAG and blockchain capabilities overcome other blockchain technologies' limitations around speed and scalability. So for AI and crypto synergies, Caspa is a next generation platform that is likely one of the reasons that Caspa is up by an impressive 1866 over the last year, 18x. So not too shabby. So you can go on and read about that if you want. I'm not reading about Everlodge. Got this article from TechPoint.Africa. Never really read any of theirs before, but I thought the thing about Caspa was cool. Obviously, the more we get out there, the better. All right, the crypto bubbles today. And look at this. Got the little Santa hats on. Got some presents in there, so pretty cool. Getting in the holiday spirit. STX up 27.2%. Near up 16.7%. There's a couple There's Caspa over here, right here, plus 5.1. We are ranked number 34, up 3 spots. Market cap 2.47 billion and 48 million in volume over the last 24 hours. See, this says a 2,068% for the year, 20x. So, which one is right here? Probably this one because of today's movement, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But if you guys are interested in the trading videos, it's a level 3 membership. I just thought I would show you guys real fast what you get in there. Learning to trade video, members only, learning trend lines, learning how to use the Fibonacci, how to use TradingView. Do not buy big green candles, bullish and bearish divergence, bullish and bearish chart patterns, how to short the market if you're interested in using Mexi and stuff like that, setting TradingView up like mine, because that's what you guys look at every day. Candlestick pattern cheat sheet, 7-step trading plan, meaning of a golden cross and a death cross. Part 1 and 2 on how to find the next 1000x. Mexi leverage trading instructions. Coin market cap, how to use it and find hidden gems over there. That's the coin market cap's awesome. And the RSI explained, buy and sell signals. I try to put one more out a week, but for $14.99 you get all these videos. You can go check them out. A level 3 membership if you're interested, guys. If you don't learn from me, please go and learn from someone. Or you need to know when to sell. That's the biggest thing in this market, and especially if we go into a bull run, it's easy to make money. And I say this all the time. It's 100% true, but it's hard to keep it. You'll see that a chart start going down, down, down. This is like during a bull run. Say this was the top, and you'll keep thinking it's good. If you don't know when to sell, you're in a lot of trouble. So please go learn from somebody if you don't learn from me, okay? On the 4-hour chart, we talked real quick here about Bitcoin yesterday. It had to break a certain level. Well, it ended up smashing through there. Looks like it's retesting that level now. This one here, 43,000, $400, whatever it was. We smashed through there and ended up, we're up $1,364 for the day, up 3.2%. Now it looks like the 4 hours at the top here. The 8-hour still heading up at 90 and an 82. The 12-hour still bullish, a 71 and a 67. And you got your daily just started up. Okay, you got your weekly bearish, but it looks like it wants to flip back up. The regular RSI on the bottom is pointing up. Okay, so you got that one pointing up here, and your monthly. I still believe this still has some gas in the tank. We'll see what happens here. It can ride up top for a while, okay? That area that I keep talking about, guys, to really pay attention to when we get up there. And I truly believe we're going to get there because the Fibonacci, if we put the Fib on this thing from top to bottom, the 618 is right up here at 48. Let's pull this over here so we can see the numbers. Roughly 48,650. And 53,001 for that 702. This area here, if we make it through it, we're in good shape. Okay, if we get up here and get rejected, you're gonna know it because it's gonna reject hard. All right, so but I truly believe it's getting up there. If this is a 5-wave pattern through here, and it really is starting to look like it. A 1, 2. If this is a 3, this thing should really rip. Okay, your 3rd wave should be your biggest wave. Then a 4th wave pullback, and then 5-wave. Is that what's going on? I don't know. Looks like it, don't it? If you're familiar with Elliott waves, looks like a 1, 2, 3 wave started here. We'll see what happens, but Bitcoin definitely is running here. Yesterday, I talked about a couple tokens, guys. Metafluence. It's up 22% today. And just because I am on YouTube, believe me, guys, I only have 2,800 subscribers. I'm not nobody offers me anything to talk about any tokens. So I see that in the comments about not buying from an influencer. I'm nothing. I'm a speck of dust. I would do nothing to hurt you guys. I just thought I seen a token that, with some potential, that's all. But it's up 22% today. And Beam, I shouted that out a month ago. It's up another 7% today. But let's go over to Caspa here and look at this chart, okay? We got some stuff going on here, so we definitely we got to dig in here. Here we go. Sorry about that. On the daily, you can see on the daily a lot better how we hit that rejection line right there, okay? So this is a very important level. We need to break the 0.120. We break above that, we're in good shape. We got a breakout of resistance, and it should start running. Now we got the daily RSI right down at the bottom, right where you want it, okay, pointing up. That's why I believe this thing's getting ready to run. That weekly is trying to curve up, okay? You can see it on the bottom here. It's shooting up, and this are the stochastic. Not really much of a bend yet in it there. It's kind of still pointing straight down, 31 and a 49, but it's getting in that oversold area. Okay, when it gets about to a 30, it's getting oversold where it can turn back up. So it definitely can do that right now. Okay, now if we go to the 12-hour, look at that. You can see that resistance even better here. Okay, what was the volume on the daily? Let's look. Nothing big. 116 million. Well, we got that whale today too. I'm telling you guys, people don't buy, especially whale humpbacks if they don't believe a bottom's in. So we'll see what happens here. But we got the let's look at the 12-hour. 12-hour is still heading up, a 50 and a 45. The 8-hour still heading up, 89 and 79, and the 4-hour 99 and 89. Okay, still heading up. So everything is pointing upwards. We'll see what happens here. The 4-hour chart, we have some volume coming in. We had 46 million there, and then another 34 million. Okay, so look, maybe this is a 1-2. If this is a 3-wave, Elliott wave coming out of here, I expect it to smash through here, then retest, and then go again. So we'll see what happens, but keep an eye on that area, 0.120, and this should hold for support down here at 0.103. Okay, them are your two areas to watch, and keep an eye on them, guys. We smashed through here. We're in good shape. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody, and thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it more than you know. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon, guys.